This episode, we are making a very simple breakfast snack called the Sabudana Khichdi. First, we'll start with soaking the sabudana. Wash the sabudana thoroughly. I've already washed them, and take a flat plate to soak them. Sabudana can be very tricky, so be careful on the amount of water that we use. Spread the sabudana in your plate and sprinkle a little bit of water just in the level of the sabudana, not too much. Stir them in and spread them. Sabudana takes at least 6 to 7 hours of soaking time. So make sure you leave them aside, and if you feel they're drying out too much in the middle, just sprinkle a little more water. But be very careful with the amount of water that you add. I already have pre-soaked sabudana over here, and this is how it looks. The first trick to make this recipe is to mix all the ingredients into the sabudana and not while cooking. So let's do that. 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar as per your liking. Salt. Coriander leaves. 3/4 cup of coarsely ground peanuts. And a generous squeeze of lemon juice. Very lightly mix all these ingredients with a spoon or with your hand. Try not to break the sabudana. Let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. After the oil is nice and hot, we'll add the 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, 6 to 7 curry leaves, 4 green chillies roughly chopped. Saute them for a few seconds. After a few seconds, 2 potatoes boiled and chopped. Let the potatoes cook for at least 1 or 2 minutes. The potatoes are ready now. I'm going to turn off the flame. This is the second trick to make this khichdi, is that turn off the flame before you add the sabudana, because we don't want too much of heat, because overcooked sabudana are going to get very starchy and sticky. So my flame is turned off, and now I'm going to add this mixture and very quickly mix this in the hot pan. And now I'm going to just cover this, and I'm also going to turn on the flame on just slow flame. Don't let this cook for more than 2 minutes. Let's check on them. And it's ready. Let's plate this. If you want to serve this sabudana khichdi a little later, turn off the flame, mix all the ingredients and leave it. And whenever you want to serve it, reheat it, cover it for 2 minutes and then serve hot. I hope you enjoy this breakfast recipe and do comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.